until after December 7th while supplies last at all of our locations. Let's go see what's swimming around inside the aquarium shop. All right, so I am inside the aquarium shop, and look what's right here. It's a shark. This is Sandy the shark. So I have a shark story to read to you. This is about a shark named Clark. Clark the Toothless Shark. It's a pop-up and pull tab book. It's written by Corinne Mellor, and the drawings are by Jonathan Allen. Here we go. Deep down in the sea, Mrs. Shark gave birth to a baby. I shall call him Clark, she said to her friends. It's a good, strong name for a shark. He will grow up to be Clark, the ferocious shark. Clark learned how to play and fight with the other sharks, but he did not win many fights. Clark could not be very ferocious because he had no teeth. Look at that. He wasn't Clark the ferocious shark. He was Clark the Toothless shark. This shark has some teeth. I can see them. Clark was very sad. How could he be ferocious without any teeth? He had to find some. The next morning, Clark swam away to look for some teeth. Suddenly, a squid appeared. Ah! Screamed the squid. Please don't eat me. Clark looked at him sadly. I can't eat you. I don't have any teeth. Will you help me then, said the squid. I'm being chased by a stingray and I need somewhere to hide. Quick, jump into my mouth, said Clark. I've got no teeth, so you'll be safe. When the stingray had passed, Clark opened his mouth and out swam the squid. I'm Sid the squid, he said. You saved my life. Is there anything I can do to thank you? There is one thing, said Clark. Can you help me find some false teeth? Sure, said Sid. Follow me. Clark and Sid swam and swam until they came upon 3 mermaids sitting on a rock. This is my friend Clark, said Sid. He saved my life. Clark grinned toothlessly. Can you make me some false teeth? He asked. Of course we can, said the mermaids. At the bottom of the sea, there was an old ship, and in its hull was sunken treasure. The mermaids put in their fishing lines and pulled out enough gold coins to make a perfect set of false teeth. They were the most beautiful teeth you've ever seen. Thank you, said Clark. So Clark swam back to the other sharks, flashing his new ferocious teeth. And he lived ferociously ever after. The end. All right, so we have to sing the One Little Redfish song while we're here at the aquarium shop, but we're gonna change it a little bit. In this tank, I see a puffer fish. So we're gonna sing One Little Puffer Fish. Are you ready? One little puffer fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little puffer fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. All right, I found some more fish that we can sing about. In this tank, there are 2 fish. And what color are they? They're orange. So let's sing 2 little orange fish. 2 little orange fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. 2 little orange fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. All right, we're gonna go find something else. Let's see if we can find 3 fish. Okay, so I've looked and I've looked and I have found 3 little snails clinging to this fish tank. So we're gonna sing 3 little brown snails clinging to the fish tank. Are you ready? Sing it with me. 3 little brown snails clinging to the fish tank, clinging to the fish tank, clinging to the fish tank. 3 little brown snails clinging to the fish tank. Bubble, 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 pop. All right, so Ellie is here with me today, and she has a favorite story to read to you, and we're gonna see what else lives here at the aquarium shop.
Hello, Ellie here with my friend, the Cichlid Fish, who is so beautiful, and we're gonna see what the Cichlid Fish thinks of Rub-a-Dub Sub by Linda Ashman, illustrated by Jeff Mack. Rub-a-Dub Sub. Sinking in my submarine, my sub-glub marine. Diving with a silky seal, darting by a dancing eel. Peering through a kelpy haze at rainbow fish and manta rays. Waving to a whiskered shrimp, floating by a blowfish blimp. In the darkness, something pink and spraying with murky ink. Who is this? Who do you think this is? Skimming over sneaky dabs, hiding from the horseshoe crabs. Zipping past a lobster claw, miss a marlin's pointy jaw. Perilous journey, gliding through the wavy grass. Glimpse of busy cleaner wrasse. Dropping deeper in the dark, meet a sleek and speedy shark! Ah! So long, wrasse! Goodbye, grass! Clip the claw, flee the jaw, tap the crabs, dodge the dabs, clear the ink, pass the pink. Brush a bullet, brush the blimp, bump the shrimp, race the rays, hit the haze, pardon the eels, sorry seal! Escape, escape, escape! Rising quickly in my sub to the safety of my tub. He was in his bathtub the whole time. Okay, I'm here with my friend Wally, who is a South American caiman. He's really beautiful, and we're going to see what he thinks of the song Baby Beluga by Raffi. This book is illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, you swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and a little white whale on the go. Baby beluga, baby beluga, is the water warm? Is your mama home with you? So happy. Way down yonder where the dolphins play, where you roll and splash all day. The waves roll in and the waves roll out. See the water skirting out of your spout. Baby beluga, baby beluga, sing your little song, sing for all your friends. We like to hear you. When it's dark, you're home and fed, curled up snug in your water bed. The moon is shining and the stars are out. Good night, little whale, good night. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga, with tomorrow's sun, another day's begun. You'll soon be waking. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, you swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and a little white whale on the go. You're just a little white whale on the go. What did you think, Wally? Do you like learning about belugas? So this has been, you've been out and about with ImagineIF. We've had so much fun here at the aquarium store. Thank you so much to the aquarium store for letting us film here. And remember to pick up your Takeout Storytime kit beginning on December 7th in all ImagineIF locations while supplies last.
I loved all those amazing fish that we saw at the aquarium shop. I wanted to show you a little peek of what our December Storytime Takeout kit will include for our Under the Sea kit. At the library, you can pick up a bag that has the little octopus stamp on it. And inside you will find some fun things that can help you have a really great water sensory bin. So you'll find some seashells, a little sea creature, maybe a whale like this one, some scissor scoopers, and some water beads. Water by itself is a lot of fun, but when you add water beads, it's even more fun. Now, remember, water beads are not to eat. They should never go in your mouth. Only play with them with your hands or with your scissor scooper. And keep them safe from little ones that like to put things in their mouth. All right, so the water beads start out like this, but when you add, you put them in water, after about 6 hours, they will expand like this, and then they're ready to play with. I'm gonna pour these into a bowl. You can play with these without adding water if you want, or with water. I kind of like them with a little bit of water because they float around. And I'm gonna add in our seashells and her little whale. And then watch what happens when I use my little scissor scooper to catch something. They have a little strainer holes on the bottom, so they're gonna strain out the water. Got a seashell. You could use these scissor scoopers to see how many water beads you can catch and then put them in a jar. Might take you a while, but I bet you can fill it up. When you're all finished playing with the water beads, you can take them out of the water, lay them out on a flat surface, and let them dehydrate, and they will turn right back into the little beads after a while. It takes a while though. All right, so after playing in the water, you might be ready for a different kind of a craft. I wonder what kind of fish puppet you could make with your paper bag. Maybe a shark, maybe an octopus. How about a puffer fish? We would love to see what you create. Send us a picture. All right, have fun everyone.